Hello students, welcome you to this video. In my previous video, I taught the basics and all the results in parabola. So if you are thorough with that, you can do the sums very easily. So in this video, we are going to do sums based on that. Okay, so just we recall few results alone. So you know parabola, for parabola you know the eccentricity. What is the eccentricity of parabola? Eccentricity is equal to 1, right? Eccentricity is equal to 1, and you know what is focus? There are 4 types of parabola. This is the first type parabola. This is the vertex. Vertex is what? 0, 0. Vertex is 0, 0, and the equation y square equal to 4ax. Focus is a, 0, right? Focus is a, 0. Then axis is x-axis. Equation of directrix. Directrix will be in the left side, right? So x equal to minus a, equation of directrix. Length of the lattice rectum is what? 4a. So this is the first type parabola, right? Then second type parabola, open leftward, right? So the diagram will be like this, open leftward. Then the third type, open upward. And the fourth one, open downward. And what changes? Vertex remains same for all the 3 types, right? Vertex is 0, 0 only for all the cases. Equation changes, right? First one y square equal to 4x, second one y square equal to minus 4x. But the third one, x and y itself changes, right? So x square equal to 4ay, and the last one x square equal to minus 4ay. Focus also changes for everything, for all the 4. First one a, 0, second one minus a, 0, third one 0, a, and the last one 0, minus a. Equation of directrix changes. First one x equal to minus a, second one x equal to a, third one y equal to minus a, last one y equal to plus a. Then length of the lattice rectum remains same for all the 4 types. And these are the results you can use when the vertex is what? 0, 0. Instead of 0, 0, suppose the vertex is h, a, the changes you have to make. When you write the equations, replace x by x minus h and y by y minus k. Usual change. Then in the other cases, in the value, suppose x equal to. So here if you write the coordinates, see this is 0, a, meaning x value 0, y value a. 0, a, 0, a. What change you make? Here h and k you add it. So 0 plus h, it is h, a plus k, it is a plus k. So that changes you give, that's also okay, easily you can study that, okay. So now let us go for few sums. So first, find the equation of the parabola in each of the cases given below. So in each case they given different facts they given, some results they given, and some information given. So based on that, you have to find the equation of parabola. So to find the equation of parabola, see what are the things you need. First you identify which type it is. There are 4 types, right? You identify which type it is. Then you find out what is the vertex. Then you know whether you have to change x and y, right? Whether you write x or x minus h and y or y minus k. Then you need the value of a. That's all. If you know these 3, you can write the equation. First, identify which type it is. First type, second type, third type. But just by plotting the given information in a rough graph, you can understand which type it is. Okay. Then try to find out the vertex and focus. That is a value. Now listen here. Focus is a, 0. Just roughly I'm plotting the point. Focus is 4, 0. You know 4, 0 is on x-axis, right? 4 units. This is 4, 0. Directrix x equal to minus 4. Minus 4 will be the left side, right? Same distance. Because this is 4, this is minus 4. So same distance. So you know this is the midpoint, right? So this is the directrix. Okay, this is the directrix. Focus directrix. So can you guess which type? Focus will be inside the curvature, right? It should be inside. So diagram will be like this. So this is the first type. Why I am drawing through vertex? How do you know? Because the distances are same. Vertex to focus, vertex to directrix, it must be same. Here 4, here also 4, so it should be 0, right? Vertex is 0, 0. So which type it is? Open rightward. So you know, so these are the things you have to identify. It is open rightward. That is, this is the first type, right? Then vertex is 0, comma 0. So there is no change in x and y, right? And a value, a is the distance from vertex to focus or vertex to directrix. So don't take minus a because distance cannot be negative. The point is minus a, but the distance is what? 4 units. So a equal to 4. So you know all these things. So you know equation of parabola y square equal to 4x because the vertex is 0, 0 only, right? Now a value substitute, that is y square equal to 4 into a value 4 into x. So your answer is y square equal to 16x. Let's go for the second sum. Again find the equation of parabola. And what is given here? It passes through 2 comma minus 3. So please listen here. Passes through 2 comma minus 3. Okay, symmetric about y-axis. Please listen. Symmetric about y-axis means it should be either this or this type. So any one of these, both are symmetric about y-axis only. But let us see what is given extra information. Passes through 2 comma minus 3. Passes through 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 will be in which quadrant? X-axis 2, y-axis minus 3. It will be somewhere here, right? So definitely this is of which type? It is open downward. Like that only you have to identify which type it is. Okay. So it passes through the point 2 comma minus 3. So the diagram will be like this. Okay. So it is 2 comma minus 3. So symmetric about y-axis. So it is open downward. So vertex is 0 comma 0. A value you cannot find because they didn't give any other information. So we write equation of parabola, equation of parabola. So this is the fourth type, right? It's the fourth type. So what's the equation? First type, y square equal to 4x. Second, y square equal to minus 4x. Third one, x square equal to 4ay. Fourth one, x square equal to minus 4ay. So this is your answer, but there is an unknown. What's the unknown? A. To find that a value, use the condition it passes through a point given. It passes through which point? 2 comma minus 3. For x you put 2 and y you put minus 3. 2 square 4 equal to minus 4a into y. What is y value? Minus 3. Cancel 4 on both sides. 1 equal to minus minus plus 3a, or you are getting a equal to 1 by 3. A equal to 1 by 3. So substitute in the first equation, you are getting x square equal to minus 4 into a, 1 by 3 into y. Fraction is there. If you want, you cross multiply. So the final answer is 3x square is equal to minus 4y. So that is the equation of parabola. Let's go for the next one. Here again find the equation of parabola. Vertex given, right? Vertex given is 1 comma minus 2. Now itself you know vertex is not 0, 0. When the vertex is not 0, 0, you have to replace x by x minus h and y by y minus minus 2, y plus 2. And here this is our hk, right? So remember here h value 1 and k value minus 2. Focus they have given, right? Focus is given, vertex is given. So which type you have to identify? So we draw a rough diagram. You plot these points. What are the points given here? You see vertex is 1 comma minus 2. No need to take exact measure and all. 1 comma minus 2. Okay. So vertex is 1 comma minus 2. So this is vertex 1 minus 2. Then what else given? Focus is 4 comma minus 2. 4 minus 2, same thing, right? So this is focus 4 comma minus 2. So vertex, if you know vertex alone, you can't say which type. It can be any of the 4 type, right? Vertex is given. It can be first type, or it can be second type, or it can be the third one, or it can be the fourth one, right? It can be any of the 4 types if the vertex alone given. But vertex is given, please listen, vertex is given and the focus also given. Suppose if they give like this, focus must be inside the curvature, then the diagram should be like this. If vertex is given and focus is like this, then the curve will be like this. Are you able to understand? So once you know vertex and focus, you can identify which type it is. So here vertex is given, focus is given, so you know definitely it is of this type, right? So it is open rightward. So it is open rightward. So it is a first type. So first type means what's the equation? Y square equal to 4x, right? Y square equal to 4x But you have to change x and y because vertex is not 0, 0. So what do you write here? Y minus k, the whole square is equal to 4a into, don't write x, you write x minus h. Hk, all the values you know. Only thing we need what? A value. What is a, you know? You can find a very easily from the diagram. Vertex is here, this is vertex, this is focus. So vertex, its point is 1, focus it is 4. The distance 1 to 4, it is not 0 to 4, 1 to 4. So what's the distance? 3 units, right? So a value 3. So that a value, hk, everything you substitute, y minus minus 2, y plus 2, right? The whole square, y plus 2, the whole square equal to 4 into a value 3 into x minus h value 1. So the final answer, y plus 2 the whole square equal to 4 3s are 12 into x minus 1. Now let's go for the next question. Again, find the equation of parabolas. In each case, they given different values, right? So what are the things they given? Based on that, how to find equation of parabola. So that skill you develop, okay? So see what is given here? Entirely different. End points of the lattice rectum. End points of the lattice rectum are given. Listen here. End points of the lattice rectum. What are the points given here? One is 4, minus 8. X value 4. Y value minus 8. Okay, so this is one end of the lattice rectum. Another end is 4, 8. 4, 8. So if only endpoints of lattice rectum given, suppose these two are the endpoints of lattice rectum, definitely it won't be the third type and fourth type. Third type means endpoint should be like this, right? Fourth type also like this only. But here, since it is given like this, it can be of this type, or it can be even this also. So it is either open rightward or open leftward. So no other information given. Find the equation of parabolas not given. Only find the equation of parabola, singular form only given. So we find one. So there are two answers. Definitely whatever you write, you will get mark, no doubt in that. So if they say find the equation of parabolas, then you have to find definitely both you have to find, right? So here there are two possibilities. Open rightward and open leftward. Okay, I'm taking open rightward. Endpoints of the lattice rectum. You're remembering the formula? Length of the lattice rectum, equation of lattice rectum. What is lattice rectum? What is lattice rectum? Perpendicular focal chord. That is lattice rectum, right? Endpoints of the lattice rectum, A and 2A. So here A equal to 4. So we draw the parabola. So it must pass through this 4, 8, right? And 4, minus 8. Okay, these are the endpoints of lattice rectum, L and what? L dash. So A equal to 4, the vertex is 0, 0, it is open rightward. So what's the equation? Equation is very simple one, y square is equal to 4x. So equation of parabola. You can take y square equal to 4x. So that is y square equal to 4 into a value also 4. 4 into 4 into x. So your answer is y square equal to 16x. In the other case, vertex will change because the same 4, a value 4, no? So you have to take 4 unit here. So 4 plus 4, it should be 8. Then the vertex will be what? 8, 0. Vertex will be 8, 0. And the diagram will be, these are the endpoints of the lattice rectum, right? So it will be like this. Then in that case, vertex is what? 8, 0. Vertex is 8, 0. This is open leftward. So the equation is y square equal to minus 4x, right? Minus 4a. A value is what? 4 units, right? A value 4. In the x, don't write x. You write x minus 8. So the answer will be y square equal to minus 16x. So both answers correct only. So for the examination, you write any one. Better if you want, you can write the first one. Okay. Now let us go for the next question. So far what we studied, if they give some information how to find equation of parabola. But now we are going to study if the parabola's equation is given, how to find focus and so on. So here there is only one parameter, a value you have to find, right? Then which type it is, then you are remembering the tabular column what we studied, whether it is focus or vertex or length of the lattice rectum or equation of directrix, we have formula, just substitute, that's all, okay? Find the vertex, focus, equation of directrix and length of the lattice rectum. So 4 things they asked. For the first type, for all the 4 types, vertex is what? 0, 0 only. Focus, it changes. First type, it is what? A, 0, then minus A, 0, 0, A, 0, minus A. Equation of directrix for the first type, x equal to minus A, x equal to A, y equal to minus A, y equal to A. Length of the lattice rectum for all the 4 types, it is what? 4A. See the question, y square equal to 16x. So which type? Y square equal to 4x type, right? So first type, open rightward, right? So the diagram will be like this. So it is open rightward. So that you write first. First you identify which type it is. It is open rightward. So you have to compare with its standard equation. What is the standard equation? Y square equal to 4x. So instead of 4a, what do you have? 16. So 4a equal to 16. So you know a equal to 16 by 4. It is 4. A value got it. Then whatever you want you can find. First they asked to find what? Vertex. So vertex for all the 4 type it is what? 0, 0 only. Then focus. Focus, this is for the first type. So it is a, 0. That is a value 4, right? 4, 0. Then equation of directrix. Equation of directrix for the first type, x equal to minus a, right? X equal to minus a, that is x equal to minus 4, or you bring it to the left side, x plus 4 equals 0. And finally, length of lattice rectum. Here also for all the 4 types, the length of the lattice rectum is 4a, that is 4 into a value 4, so equal to 16 units. So if they ask you to draw a rough diagram, you can draw a rough diagram, just you plot what? Vertex is 0, 0, focus is what? 4, 0, directrix x equal to minus 4, okay? If you want, you can draw that. So if they ask, okay? So in this question, they didn't ask to draw the diagram. Find the vertex, focus, same thing. Another equation. By seeing the equation, you know, it is in standard form. Sometimes they won't give in standard form. You have to arrange it in standard form. Here, x square equal to plus 4a, right? It's not minus. So this is of the third type. What is the third type? Open rightward. If you have a rough diagram, then you won't make mistake. Focus, you know, definitely focus is here, right? It is on y-axis. Y-axis means x coordinate is what? 0. So you know it is 0, a. For the fourth type, it will come somewhere here, right? Then equation of directrix, it will be here. Vertex is this one. Axis, if they ask, y-axis. Y-axis means x equal to 0, right? Okay. So it is open upward. It is open. Third type, right? Open upward. What's the standard equation? X square equal to 4ay. So 4a equal to 24. A equal to 24 by 4. So you are getting what? 6. So A value got it. Now you write one by one. First they asked to find what? Vertex. Vertex and length of the lattice rectum. It is same for all the 4 types, right? Vertex is 0, 0. Then focus. For the first type, A, 0. Then minus A, 0. 0, A, right? For this it is 0, A. That is 0, a value 6. Then directrix, that is equation of directrix. Third type. So the first type, x equal to minus. Every time you think like that, right from the starting, then you won't make mistake. But so the first type, if you are thorough, just give the changes. Equation of directrix. First type, x equal to minus a, x equal to a, y equal to minus a. This is the third type. So y equal to minus a. Fourth type, y equal to plus a, right? So y equal to minus 6. If you want, you can write y plus 6 equal to 0, right? Then finally, length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4a. That is 4 into a value 6. So that is 24 units. Okay, so that's all. Now let's go for the next question. Which type? y square equal to minus is there, right? Minus 4x, y square equal to minus 4x, so second type. So it is open leftward. It is open leftward. So compare with the form y square is equal to what? Minus 4ax. So minus is there. So in both the cases. So 4a equal to 8 only. Don't take minus 8. Okay, so 4a, because minus is in both, no? Leave that minus. Instead of 4a, what do you have? 8. So 4a you have only 8 only. So you know a equal to 8 by 4, it is what? 2. So in the formula, see, focus will be here. So for the first type, it is a comma 0. Second type, minus a comma 0. Vertex is 0, 0 only. So the first one is vertex. It is 0, comma 0. Then focus. Second type, so it is minus a comma 0. So that is minus a value 2, comma 0. Equation of directrix. Second type, so x equal to plus a. That is x is equal to 2. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum equal to what? 4a. So that is 4 into a value 2. So 4 2s are 8 units. Sometimes they'll ask you equation of lattice rectum also. Equation of lattice rectum. You can do that. Very simple. Listen. Equation of lattice rectum if they ask. For the first type, you know, lattice rectum is perpendicular focal chord. The distance is what? A. So it is x equal to a. For the first type, x equal to a. Second type, x equal to minus a. For the first type, x equal to plus a, right? First type, x equal to a. Second type, x equal to minus a. Third type, this is a third type. Lattice rectum is here, plus value, right? Y, but y equal to a. And the fourth type, last one, y equal to minus a. So equation lattice rectum and equation of directrix both differ in sign only, because both are on the either side, right? So lattice rectum is here, and you know the directrix will be here. So in this case, equation of, this is equation of lattice rectum. Equation of directrix means for the first one, x equal to minus a, x equal to a, y equal to minus a, y equal to plus a. Small change only, right? Only the sign differs. Okay, so remember that also. Then endpoints of the lattice rectum they can ask. So whatever they ask, you can do that. Okay, now I'm going to teach two very important questions. 5 more questions. Okay, it is not given in standard form. You have to reduce it into standard form. When you reduce it into standard form, vertex won't be 0, comma 0. It will be some other point, h, comma k. Then you have to use the other set of formula and all. Okay, so listen very carefully. First, reduce it into standard form. That is more important. So once you reduce the standard form, then mere formula. You can use the formula, but formula you have to study. Last class what I taught. Those who not watched that video, please watch that one. Easily you can remember all the formula. Okay. So find the vertex, focus, equation of directrix, same thing. But see, by seeing this equation, you know, it will be which type. So it is a parabola, that I'll tell you later in some other class. So how to identify whether it's a parabola or ellipse or hyperbola? By seeing the equation. See the degree. Now parabola alone I'll tell you. You see the degree. You see the degree of x and y. So here x degree 2, right? Y degree 1. If x degree 2, y degree 1, or x degree 1, y degree 2, it represents parabola. It represents parabola. See that there is no xy term. If xy term is there, what we studied earlier, b square minus 4ac, right? Okay, here no xy term. So see the degree 2, 1 or 1, 2, then it is parabola. Now, 4 types there, no? But here x we have square. So x square is there. So it is either x square equal to 4ay or x square equal to minus 4ay. So that means it is either third type or fourth type only. Okay, now what do you do, no? See where you have square. Square is with x term. So keep all the x terms in the left side. So x square minus 2x. Take the remaining to the right side. Minus 8y minus 17. Suppose if we have y square, keep y square term in one side. Take the remaining to the right side. Now completing the square method. So already you know that how to complete the square. Left side x square coefficient is 1. If not, you make it as 1. Divide by that number. X square coefficient must be 1. Now both the sides you are going to add a number. Adding a number on both sides. How can you find that number? Take x coefficient. What is x coefficient? Minus 2. Take half of that, minus 1, and square it. Minus 1 square is 1. Suppose if it is 8x, x coefficient 8, half of that 4, square it 16. Suppose it is 20x, take x coefficient, half of that, then square it. X coefficient is 20, take half of that, 10, square it 100. So like this, you have to add a number to complete the square. Okay, so here it is, x coefficient is minus 2, half of that minus 1, square it 1. So you are adding 1 on both sides. So x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to minus 8y minus 17 plus 1. Now left side is a perfect square. Either it will be a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. But you know here 2ab term is what? Minus. So this is a minus b the whole square. Square root of the first one, x square square root x. Square root of the last one, 1. Square root of 1 is 1. If it is 25, you write 5 here. Minus 8y minus 16, minus 17 plus 1, right? So x minus 1 the whole square equal to, here you take minus 8 common. You are getting y plus 2. Do very carefully. If you have a doubt, you multiply and see. Especially questions like this, minus 8y plus 16. When I take minus 8 outside, you have to be very careful. Sometimes even the bright students scoring centum, they make mistakes sometimes. Okay, so be very careful. Minus 8, if you take outside, you will get what? Y? Not plus 2, it is what? Minus 2, right? So you multiply and check. Minus 8 into y, minus 8y. Minus into minus is plus. If you put plus here, minus into plus is minus. Okay, a few seconds only. Sometimes if you make a mistake here, you do everything. Then sometimes you won't check it. See, you will be losing 5 marks. So be very careful in this one. So when you take common. So now what you can do, no? By seeing this, you can understand. This is of the type x square equal to minus 4ay. X square equal to minus 4ay. So x minus h the whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. So you can say h value 1, change the sign and take, okay? And k value minus 2, because minus 2. 4a equal to 8. Don't take minus 8. Minus is in both, right? So 4a equal to 8. So a equal to 8 by 4, 2. So all the values you got it. So this is x square equal to minus 4ay type. X square equal to minus 4ay, right? So it is fourth type, right? It is fourth type. X square equal to minus 4ay. So you can say it is open downward. So when you write the formula, it will be easy for you. Actual formula for the fourth type, vertex is 0, 0. If the vertex is 0, 0, focus is 0, minus a, right? 0, minus a. Then equation of directrix. For the first one, x equal to minus a, x equal to plus a, y equal to minus a, y equal to plus a, right? Then equation, length of the lattice rectum, 4a, right? Okay, but h, k, you know what changes you have to give. So you have to add h and k, you will be adding, right? You have to add h and k. So you can write the formula very easily. Okay, so now for the first one we have to find what? Vertex. Vertex is h, k. So what it is? H value 1 and k value minus 2. So the first result over. Next we have to find focus. Focus, what you have to write? Can you tell me? So it add h and k, right? So 0 plus h, it is h, and minus a, you add k. So you substitute h value. What is h value? 1. Minus a, it is minus 2, plus k value also minus 2. So you are getting, what answer you are getting? 1, minus 4. 1, minus 4. So this is focus. And the third one, you find equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. So y equal to, already a is there. So y is there, so to add what? For y, you have to add what? K. So y, a plus k you write. So y equal to a value 2 plus k, k value what? Minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Y equals 0. Then finally, equation, length of the lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. It is always 4a. Any type for all the 4 types, whatever be the vertex, the length remains same. So that is 4 into A. In this case, what is A value? 2, right? So 4 into 2, so equal to 8 units, right? Okay, let us see one more question. Same type. See x degree 1, y degree 2. So it's a parabola. Which type? Where you have square y. So it is either y square equal to 4x or y square equal to minus 4x. Either first type or second type. So y square equal to 4x, right? So keep that y terms one side. Y square minus 4y equal to take the remaining to the right side 8x minus 12. Completing the square method, y square coefficient is 1 only. So we have to add a number. Adding, can you tell me which number? Y coefficient minus 4. Half of that minus 2, square it plus 4. So adding 4 on both sides. So y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 8x minus 12 plus 4. Left side is something square. In between minus is there. So a minus b the whole square. Square root of y square y. Square root of 4 is 2. Right side you are getting 8x minus 8. So y minus 2 the whole square equal to, take 8 outside, you will get x minus 1. Okay, so now itself you know h value 1, k value 2, and this is of the type y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. So instead of 4a, what do you have? 4a is equal to 8, right? 4a is equal to 8, so a value 2. Y square equal to 4ax type, so you know it is open rightward, first type. So h value 1, k value 2, a value also 2. So with this you can find all the values, right? So let us do one by one. First they asked to find what? Vertex. So first we find vertex. Vertex is h comma k. So here it is h value 1 and k value what? 2. So it is 1 comma 2 vertex. Next we find what? Focus. First type, normally we write when the vertex is 0 comma 0, the focus is what? A comma 0. But now we have to add h and k. So a plus h, 0 plus k. So that is a value 2 plus h value 1 and k value 2. So what is your answer? 3 comma 2. So your answer is 3 comma 2. Then we find equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. If the vertex is at 0, 0, equation of directrix for the first type x equal to minus a. But here x equal to minus a plus you add, since it is x, you add what? H. If it is y, you have to add what? K. So x equal to minus a value 2 plus h value 1. You are getting x equal to minus 1 or x plus 1 equal to 0. And finally, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum, the formula is what? 4a. That is 4 into a value 2, right? So 4 into 2, your answer is what? 8 units. So hope you understood all these things. So more important, learn the theory part. So go through the sums and go through all the example sums. I'm sure you can do all the sums. In my next video, I'll be teaching ellipse.